The automated production line for dryer drums that you are currently looking at was custom built by IEO for Panasonic Hangzhou. It enhances manufacturing efficiency while ensuring consistent quality. The line is precisely designed to finish the assembly of dryer drum with the processes of integrated rolling, Z-bending and lock seaming, flanging, laser marking, baffle manual assembly, and final seaming, which enables an efficient cycle time of 19.5 s. With only 4 operators working collaboratively along the entire line, it significantly optimizes labor allocation while increasing production capacity. The product qualification rate remains consistently above 99.9%. Should you have any needs, please feel free to contact us.